Steel yourself, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to delve into a very interesting English phrase, steel oneself. This expression is a gem in the English language, and knowing how to use it can add strength and nuance to your communication. So, let's get ready to explore what it means to steel oneself. When we say someone has steeled themselves, we're referring to the act of mentally preparing for something challenging or distressing. The word steel in this phrase is symbolic of strength and resilience. Imagine turning your nerves into steel. That's the kind of inner transformation this phrase describes. This idiom comes from the idea that steel is strong and resistant to pressure. Historically, steel has been used in weapons and armor. So to steel oneself is to prepare for battle, not with weapons, but with determination and courage. You can use this phrase when talking about preparing for a tough situation. For example, she steeled herself before giving the speech, or he steeled himself for the difficult conversation with his boss. Let's look at some examples. Before the athletes stepped onto the field, they steeled themselves for the intense game ahead. The firefighter steeled himself before rushing into the burning building. One common mistake is using steel as a noun instead of a verb. Remember, the correct usage is as a verb, indicating the action of preparing oneself. Another mistake is confusing steel with steel, which has an entirely different meaning. Let's practice together. Think of a situation where you might need to steel yourself. How would you describe your preparation using this phrase? Share your sentences in the comments. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of steel oneself. Remember, it's all about fortifying your mind and emotions to face something difficult. Keep practicing, and soon, using this phrase will be as strong and natural as steel itself. Until next time, keep learning and stay strong.